This is a short video showing how to build a large order pad or order template using bulk imports on MedBIS. First, log into your account. Go to My Mediq, scroll to your useful tools and select My Order Pad Imports. Here you'll find the option to download a CSV template. Once downloaded, you can populate the template with your desired order pad name in column A and the product code you'd like on the order pad in column B. There is no limit to the number of products that can be added. You can easily build multiple order pads by changing the order pad name assigned to the product code. Once you are happy with your template, save it as a CSV file with any name that makes sense to you. Return to the My Order Pad Imports page and select Choose File. This will prompt you to select a file from your computer to import into your account. Please select the order pad import template file you have just created. You will receive a confirmation that all products were imported correctly. If there was a problem with any product lines, you will also be alerted here. Your new order pad or order pads will now be available under My Order Pads in your My Mediq dashboard. From your new order pad, you can easily choose a quantity to purchase for each product using the plus and minus buttons, and then hit Add Below Items to Basket. This will redirect you to your basket where you can either update the quantities, complete your order, or leave the basket to find more products to purchase as required. Thank you for using MedBIS.